Alright, I'm going to try and test this power supply while holding the camera and manipulating the tester, and hopefully I won't burn anything or fall. But yeah, so I have it's supposed to be constant voltage, constant current, but I want you to see what happens. So these are not the leads, these are the very thin leads that came with it. So I wanted to give it the best chance at succeeding, so I replaced those with some much heavier duty leads so as not to introduce excessive resistance. So the power supply output is off. I have my tester set to constant current. What is that? 2 amps. And this is 2 amps and 5 volts. So watch this. Positive to positive. I'm going to try and keep my hands out of the way. Negative to negative. So again, power supply 5 volts, 2 amps. I'm going to turn on the output. Okay, the output is on. Now watch when I kick in the tester. Oops, the voltage dropped below 2. Let's try that again. There we go. I must have let the leads go, but you'll see what it's doing, right? 2 amps, but look at the voltage, 4.7. So not highly accurate by any means. Well, the Jesverty power supply is saying 5 volts solid, and the amperage is only varying by a tiny bit. My tester is telling me 4.7 volts, 2 amps. So, it's holding the current constant, but it can't seem to keep up with the 5 volts. So next we're going to try it in constant voltage mode. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now I got the power supply in constant voltage. CV is lit up. I have my tester, constant voltage. So I'm going to turn the output on. Then I'm going to hook up my leads over here. 1, 2. Sorry about the camera work. This is not easy. Why is it not delivering any current? Alright, that's a failure. Alright, the last test was a failure. This is the test of the USB-A port. So 5 volts, 3 amps. And it is delivering 13.5 watts. If I bump it up to 4 amps, it's going to shut the tester down with the voltage dropping below 2, which means it can't maintain the output. See? Voltage dropped below 2. We could try let's try 3.5 amps. Nope, can't do it. 3.2 amps. Nope, can't do it. 3 amps. That it can do.
riconoscere stare zitta, ma non ce la faccio. Ma dico, mi spieghi, verifica scientifiche si dà tanto da fare con una macchina sfasciata da un ladro.
Perché il ladro è imparato con i candidati. Però adesso non mi deve fare una luce, per favore. Non è per caso.
Va bene. Buon lavoro.
E come vi avete neutralizzati?
Grazie all'ostinazione dell'italiano. Non ho capito per far smettere la mancanza avrebbe dovuto decapitare la gente e poi c'era una partisana che aveva cominciato a incoraggiare a collaborare. E così è stato. Furono giorni e giorni di accostamenti, anticipazioni, anche minacce e paura. Ma alla fine ce l'abbiamo fatta. Arrestato Luca Silva, la grande è venuta niente. I figli non hanno la testa. Miguel, il più grande, non ha coraggio. Ed è un pazzo. Questa invece è la famiglia che di fronte a quel ragazzo ora investito dello solo. Lui è Filippo. Specialmente abile e onesto imprenditore, paga le tasse e viene a donare una volata, non è propriamente così. E lei sua sorella, Maddalena, una gradtrice per questo il cane. Ha sposato l'ispettore della ginnastica per l'idea.
And testing the Jesverty 30 volt DC power supply. So it seems to be pretty accurate. I'm going to raise the power up to 9 and come back to my meter, and I'm at 9. So it's pretty accurate. No issues with it. It's going to work out great in my workshop.